Hi traders, today May 29, month end expiry, just one day ahead of month end expiry. I'm discussing about today's observations in market fall. Already I mentioned earlier about two major indexes, that is IT index and private banks. Due to these two indexes only, market is falling. Other than these two indexes and real estate, there is no other that heavy selling pressure in other indexes like metal stocks, pharma index, and small cap index. So, if you observe IT index previously, if you observe IT index like here, I am showing here IT index. 1 month back, it is around 34,300 level. It is taking strong resistance and coming back to the 32,730 level. Again, it went up to 34,300. You see here 34,300. That same level it is taking resistance. So, at present, IT index is falling again from that same resistance. That means in coming days, in coming week, for IT stocks, it is looking like bearish condition. It is looking like bearish condition. So, I told already IT stocks and private banks don't add in your portfolio at present scenario. If you reach this index, IT index coming to the 32,700, which is 800 points far from present current market price. What is the market price? 33,500. 33,500 this level. And 800 more points to fall again in IT index like Infosys, LTI Mindtree, these TCS. These are the IT stocks, Coforge. These are the facing heavy selling pressure. Then private banks. Bank Nifty fans, they are also like, for them it is a bad news. You see here, this is the trend line and this is the trend line, support trend line. From so many days, it is looking like, you see here, like this. Okay, at present scenario it looks like bearish condition because of which bank? That is HDFC Bank. So many investors having favorite stocks, HDFC Bank. I'll open HDFC Bank stock. HDFC Bank, it is taking resistance at 1530 level. It reaches 1530, again it is falling. Again it reaches 1530, again it is falling. So, lot of traders who are trading Bank Nifty daily basis or weekly basis, they don't see HDFC Bank direction, IndusInd Bank direction, Kotak Bank, Axis, ICICI Bank direction. So, here I am saying very seriously, you should observe at least 4 to 5 private banks direction by seeing technical charts. Then only you can predict Bank Nifty direction. So at present scenario, HDFC Bank direction is negative trend. So if you want to see bull trend in Bank Nifty, definitely it should move. It should break out 1530 level only. It should break out 1530 level only. So until it reaches above 1530, we won't see again bull trend in Bank Nifty. So it is falling. How then? What is the support price for HDFC Bank? Somewhere around 1440 level here. Somewhere around 1440 level, like here. It reaches to the support line like this. So This is the negative news to the bank Nifty fans. So even though in this market fall scenario, 2 or 3 indexes are looking very positive direction. That is Pharma index. I will open Pharma index. So here almost it reaches to the resistance level. Here what is the resistance? 19,430. Pharma index. Why I am mentioning today Pharma index? Even Nifty 183 point fallen, Pharma index is sustained and it closed around in positive direction. Triple bottom pattern. It should look like triple bottom pattern like this. You see here. What it means? If it is forms like this triple bottom pattern, definitely that stock or that index may go in positive direction only after taking this 3 times support level at same price. Okay, so I am suggesting pharma stocks if this trend line is breakout like Cipla, Biocon and Sun Pharma, Lupin Pharma. These stocks may go further movement. Reddy Labs like this. Okay, then I can open Nifty small cap 100. This is also in positive momentum. You see here today it is closed in green candle, small green candle. So in today's market fall, it is not taking that much selling pressure in small cap comparatively large cap and mid cap stocks. In small cap 100, like you can prefer like Nasdaq, Cochin Shipyard, BDL. In graphite, in small cap 100 also it is taking it looks like a less selling pressure. Okay, so this is the today's summary. Just ignore the private banks and IT stocks and prefer to the pharma stocks, small cap 100 stocks and metal stocks like Hindalco, Nalco, Vedanta and Well Corporation and Adani Enterprises. So these are the suggesting stocks in this market falling scenario. So thank you. Just ignore the private banks and IT